Mayong adlaw mga Kasimanwa. Welcome back to another episode of What's Up Iloilo. I'm Tito Mike, your resident NPA, not politically active pero always hungry.
And I'm Claudette, your tita of truth, serving real talk with a side of sass.
As you can see, Manong RJ is not here with us today. Yes, it's because of family concerns, but we're sending lots of love. And of course, he's dearly missed here on set.
That's right, hindi man natin siya kaupod subong, pero kabalugid kami nga ginasupport niya kita wherever he is, Tito Mike. So let's make this episode extra flavorful para sa iya.
Speaking of flavorful, palawayon ta anay ang aton mga viewers subong nga adlaw. Istoryahan ta ang pinakasaboroso nga bahin sang Iloilo, ang aton pagkaon.
Exactly, Tito Mike. Iloilo is not just the heart of the Philippines, but it's also officially recognized by UNESCO as a City of Gastronomy since 2023. Imagine, we're a part of global network that celebrates cities with rich culinary heritage.
Meaning our food culture is truly world-class, rich in heritage, creativity, and of course, Ilonggo pride.
Yes, so let's start sa pinakasimple pero pinaka-fun part, sharing our favorite Ilonggo food. And diinta ini pwede matilawan, Tito Mike. Siyempre, nothing beats lapas batchoy.
Yes, of course.
The original Teds or Decos. Kag may bago subong ako nabatian, ang toto sa likod sang terminal, old terminal sang Ceres, dito sa Tabok
Doon
Supa.
ang ginambal ni Joe.
Oo, ginambalya kagina. Pero natilawan ko na siya. So, subong, kapin pa kung init-init gid nga sabaw, no? Paresan sang pandesal kag puto.
Oo,
yes.
puto gid.
Perfect sa pamahaw, panyaga, kag panyapoy.
Nice. Well, classic gid na that. Kasi nga, you can't separate Iloilo from its iconic dish. Kaya nga sabi nila, pag dayo ka from anywhere, like let's say from Manila ka, hindi ka pwedeng bumalik to where you are pag hindi mo pa natitikman ang lapas batchoy. Pero kuya, sa ako, ang pinakagusto ko gadya is nilaga.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Ang edad mo ha, ang BP.
And ang salarin is actually salamukan. Shout out gali sa mga nagkakaon subong sa salamukan. Hinay-hinay lang ako kasi masalamukan gid kamo. Pero when it comes to what I like sa salamukan is this. Sila natin minilaga nga may celery.
Oh.
And then
Hindi siya tama kamahal. Piping celery is mahal.
hindi ko na sasabihin yung price, but it's very, very, very affordable. And ang masarap doon, malapot yung niya, yung sabaw niya.
Sabaw.
Sabay, unlimited sabaw pa.
Okay, so sa ako naman, ang pinakanamit sa is pancit molo ni Kap Ising dito sa may
Uy.
molo, no? So, amo gini ang ako nga ma-recommend. Si Kap Ising, actually, dito sa molo, pero may mga kiosk na siya sa mga GT Mall. And kung may ara man sa Atria, may ara siya restaurant. Kung hindi ka mo makakaon dito, you can actually buy per pack, no? May ara siya nga pork, may ara siya nga chicken, kag pwede man nga ikaw maluto sa imo nga panibalay. Ama na siya. So, diri sa Iloilo, actually, damo gid kita nga mga pagkaon, no? Nga pwede naton ma-share, kag kung makatilaw ang mga hindi taga Iloilo daw, hindi na kamo magbalik sa inyo nga ginhalinan.
Of course, let's not forget to mention how our street food culture is super buhi diri sa Iloilo. Labi paged, subong sa Sunset Boulevard.
Oh, yeah.
Daw every corner may tusok-tusok. Ang pagkaon na, ha?
Abi ko laing ginatusok mo na yun. Okay, dito may tama gid sa Esplanade. Madamo nga stalls with barbecue, isaw, kwek-kwek. Kwek-kwek is the one with egg, right?
Yes,
okay.
egg.
It's really clean, affordable, and perfect view sang sunset.
Hoy, amo gid na. Motivation ko gid mag-jogging in that, as you can see. Di ba?
Ano ang motivation mo? Pagkaon or ang jog?
Mag-jog, ang motivation ko, sorry, ang motivation ko ang view.
Ang view sa sunset. Hindi ang gajag.
Hindi, syempre, of
sige.
course.
And if you want to chill, no, makadto kita sa isa ka pinakamanami nga kapihan diri sa Iloilo, ang Maj Cafe. Ara siya actually ang original sa La Paz, no? La Paz Market. It's an old school coffee since 1940s. And actually, shout out no sa twin nga brothers nga sila gid ang naga-manage sana, no, they're good friends. Ang ilang nga hinablos ako nga estudyante sa St. Paul before.
Oy.
So congratulations kay subong hasta subong buhi pa siguro hasta mga po ako, no, ara man gyapon ang Match Cafe.
Masarap din yung Roberto's Siopaw and the Ocampos Barquillos. Iconic pasalubong na.
Oh, yeah. May ara nga queen, may ara nga king. Ano ba mga sizes ng siopaw sa Roberto's?
Jumbo daw masarap eh. As per yung kaibigan ni Jed na nakausap namin, jumbo lang talagang bibili niya.
Okay, so grabe ang pila, no? So kayo, kung gusto nyong pumunta ng Roberto's, dapat may pumipila na para sa inyo so that
Correct.
madali, no? Anyway, Iloilo food trip hits different kay may balance gidya. Tradition and innovation, humility and flavor.
Grabe, no? Kadamo gid sang pagkaon nga pwede ma-experience dito sa Iloilo.
Yeah.
Halin sa tusok-tusok, batchoy, hasta mga fancy dining places. Pero syempre, hindi naton pagkalimtan ng mga iconic restaurants na nagdala sa ngalan sa Iloilo sa mapa.
Tama, gid na siya, Tito Mike, no? Diri sa aton city, may mga Kalan-on gid nga hindi lang basta-basta nga restaurants, no? Kundi institution na sila.
Oy.
No, parte na gid sila sang aton na kultura kag memories, especially sa aton nga mga Ilonggo.
Exactly, like Breakthrough Sevilla. Kung gusto mo sang fresh seafood nga may view sang dagat, dira gid ang nami nga kadtuan. Recommended na namon.
Da ka guro ga date.
Hindi, wala ko nag-date ta.
Ay, wala ka ga date?
Wala gid ko ga-date.
Ay, wow. Though first topic na dating man.
Balaan
tapos
mo
wala date.
nga, ano ako, good boy.
Okay, kag syempre dito may Tatoy's
Ay,
Manokan
oo.
and seafood restaurant. Amo gini ang paborito sang tanan, hindi lang sang Ilonggo, kundi nga halos bilog nga Pilipinas. Basta nakatilaw sang manok sang Tatoy's, nagabalik gid sila.
True gid. Kung may bisita kang halin sa Manila or abroad, kadam-an sang mga Ilonggo dira gid nagadala sang bisita. Ang lechon manok, talaba, kag boneless bangus, ang inihaw, namit gid ya.
Hindi lang sila restaurants, kundi mga lugar nga may tagipusoon, no? Kaysa likod sa success, sang amo ni nga klase negosyo, may inspiring stories man ni sila na ma-share sa aton.
Speaking of stories, mga Kasimanwa, may special guest kita subong nga mag-share sang isa ka film nga siya mismo ang nag-direct.
Yes, you're so lucky, Tito Mike.
Ang istorya sang isa sa mga pinaka-famous nga resto dire sa Iloilo, ang Tatoy's Manokan and Seafood Restaurant.
Yes, he's an award-winning filmmaker and professor at the University of the Philippines, Visayas. He was recently honored by the UP Alumni Association with
Wow.
the 2024 Distinguished Alumni Award for Culture and the Arts in Film.
Wow.
And his short film, Solo, was actually nominated for the Best Short Film at the 69th FAMAS Awards. His
Wow.
works, Tito Mike, including Land from God and Bukog. What's Bukog? Bukog, no? Nga nabukog ka kung magkaon. Amo na siguro,
Bukog?
no? Yeah. Have brought pride to Western Visayas and celebrated the strength and artistry of the Ilonggo people. So, Tito Mike, let's welcome Director Kevin Pison Piamonte, the man behind the film Bugsay, a heartfelt tribute to Tito Tatoy, Espinosa of Tatoy's Manokan and Seafood Restaurant and the Ilonggo Spirit.
Halong tuto! Tama na kataas, oh! Bawang ratos nito, sakit mo to sa payo!
Hindi kami na mabusog nga sa lubilang.
Kailangan may isang kwan, isang kantaya, kanami isang kantaya. Matian mo daw, amat-amat at saka to sa may bukid.
Hi, Claudette, and hello, Mike.
Hi, Direk.
Thank you for having me here sa podcast ninyo. I'm excited to be here.
We're very happy to have you, Direk. Actually, do ginanervyos ako kay ikaw ang tuwad ko sa
Amugid.
So conscious, di ba naman?
Gina-nervyos ka kahit ito, kanina inom ka sa kape.
Hindi, kay ikaw nga mo nga Padre Subong. Very, very happy. Kami nag-mix emotions ako, no? Ambivalent.
Direk Kevin, welcome to What's Up Iloilo. Tell us, ano ang inspirasyon kag mensahe nga ginadala sang film nga Bugsay?
Anong inspirasyon? I mean, knowing the story ni Tatoy, I mean, I've known Tatoy for so many years. And actually, hambal ni Tatoy sa akon, antis mo nakilala, ang lawas mo nakilala, tanaka. Kay hambal sa akon, baby pa lang daw ako, my parents would go there sa gamaya pa lang tong restaurant nga to, Changi-Changi.
Oo.
Tapos dito sila kakaon. And then baby pa ko ginatungtong lang ko nila sa babon.
Wow.
Sa kakaon sila. So, bali niyo Tatoy, I mean, lapsag ka palang kilala, na kaya.
Ay,
Kanabe ba?
Yes, and then, well, I mean, I grew up also with eating the food of Tatoy. Have very fond memories of him. Kaysa una, when I was much into sports pa, drama kami kung isagaran sa
Dira
beach.
sa
Yes.
Ginaw.
Right?
Bye-bye.
And then, before we start running, of course, we go and say good morning to Tatoy. And Tatoy, makado siya sa dagat,
Uy.
mangisda. And then, whatever he would catch, that's what we would have for breakfast.
wow.
So I mean, like, it's a wonderful way to start a day.
True.
Diba? And so, I mean, I've known the man to be, well, very unassuming, very humble. And I mean, like, his life has inspired me as well, in a sense that he has this, like, respect for everything and for people. So I guess, I mean, like, what Bugsay is trying to say is, that is the most important thing, actually.
So, hindi lang siya restaurant, kundi ang pagkatawo ni Tatoy mismo ang naghatag sa iya sang iyang, ano ganiya? Ang iyang
Success?
success.
Yes.
Oo, hindi lang ang pagkaon, kundi nga sa imo nga ginistorya sa amon, ang pagkatawo mismo.
In fact, ang iya nga mga tinaw, dira, the ones na nag-aubrada sa kusina, they've been there for so many years.
Wow,
so, when you
loyalty.
watch the film, actually, may isa na ang ubray actually was gapang galuto kanon, gatig-ang, you know? And that's what she's been doing for years before.
Wow.
Si Sabel, I think if I remember her name, Sabel. And because of that, cooking rice, as in like she was able to send her children to school.
Wow. So,
And
na-perfect yan na ang magtig-ang.
Yes, and then her kids now are all professionals. Oh, I mean, like, because of ang kanon.
Oo.
I mean, like,
Oo.
di ba? I mean, like,
Yes.
isn't that an inspiring story?
That's very inspiring.
Yeah.
Gid, no?
Yeah.
Kanami. Gid, ka very inspiring. Gid, sa imo nga gin istorya sa bunga adlaw sa aton diri direct, no? So, Direk Kevin, ano naman ang gusto ipaabot ang mensahe nga sini nga film para sa aton nga Ilonggo entrepreneurs? Aside sa mga ginistorya mo nga, amo ni si Tatoy, si Isabel, ano ayhan ang mga lesson nga makuha sang aton nga Ilonggo viewers?
There are two things actually that's very dominant in the film, and this actually comes from Tatoy. These are like, one is belief and the other one is faith.
Oh, I like to listen.
That you have to like believe in something and then commit to it. You know, so yeah, I mean, like, and the life of Tatoy is about that. He really committed his life to that because of his, I guess, I mean, like, his devotion to his family. Na he just wants to make sure as well that his children will all finish school. So he really had to work hard. And, you know, I mean, like, the challenges of being there. Kati, I mean, like, if you don't know yet, I mean, si Tatoy was, ang pamilya niya, they were informal settlers na dira sa una.
Yes.
Yes.
I've heard about that. Doon may ginagwain na siya sa Corina Sanchez. Ang life niya
I
before,
think so,
no?
yeah.
Oo. Or hindi lang ko sure, no? Basta daw nakita na ko nga documentary about that.
Okay.
No? Mga informal settlers sila.
And then, yeah, and then ang balay na nila, ang green nga balay, which is actually still there, ara sa likod.
Wow.
You know, because they preserved it. So ang green nila nga balay, they would move that house depending on the tide, depending on the weather.
Wow.
So yung ganon. I mean like, yeah, it's the story of Tatoy for me. It should, you know, send not just probably ripples but tides of inspiration to a lot of Ilonggos na, you know, and to be proud about being an Ilonggo. Kahit I've heard stories na when doing this film na sang una when you go to Villa, wala pa na sa mga panimalay.
Yep.
Right? So you can park your car anywhere, ligo ka na lang sa dagat.
Oo.
But then there was just one or very few restaurants, and one of which was ang Tatoy. Oo.
Beautifully said, Direk. So, saan kag diin pwede matanaw sa mga Kasimanwa naton ang Bugsay?
We're going to have a premiere sa SM City Iloilo on November 22.
November 22.
Yes,
so,
but I think that's like going to be invitational. And of course, you are invited, Claudette and Mike, and everybody here. And kung sino pa na gusto mo pa-imbitar, well, you have to make friends with us or with them. And Jeb there, behind the camera too. So yun.
Thank you.
So, yeah, there'll be 4 screenings on November 22. And then I think they're working on a regular screening na weekend screenings, I think, as well sa SM. But we'll let you know in time. Hopefully, you know, that will be finalized na. Okay, because I think a lot of people would want to watch it.
I'm pretty
Yes.
sure.
We're coming out with a trailer soon.
Siguro amo man nga nakabati ang mga tao about Bugsay.
Actually, it was amazing because when we released the publicity or the poster, actually, as the shares were like hundreds and hundreds.
Sa director siguro hindi lang excitement no nang ang imo nga ginabatsyag. Ano pagid?
Nervyos.
Nervyos kay tungod nga Ilonggo, imo Ilonggo ka, ang manuglantaw Ilonggo man.
And well, I hope they will like the film. It's a creative documentary, so it's I mean, I hope that they will appreciate what the film is about, because for one and for sure, I mean, like, this is not an ordinary story to tell. We discovered this actually when we were doing research. And as I said, I mean, like, what's the formula for you know, a successful business? I mean, like, we can be academic about it, but in the
may
case
mga
of
business
Diba?
proposal, may
Theories
mga
and all.
theory, yeah.
Si Tatoy,
Do ano na siya, maybe.
Maybe, di ba?
Kagdason, hindi naman paghambalon. Di ba, may mga sikreto pag si Tatoy.
it will come out in the film. It will all come out.
Yes.
Nga amo na ang
Kung ano talaga sikreto
nakulaton
niya.
ng mga viewers, no? So, proud gid kita. Di ba la? Proud gid kita bilang isa ka Ilonggo nga may amo ini nga istorya sa aton, because kadamo direct man siguro sa istorya about restaurants, but the persona of Tatoy and how he loved his family,
Yeah.
actually it's a lesson, or it's a story of love.
It is a story of love. That's why siguro, I mean, like, amo man ang gabalik. Like,
Yes.
di ba? I mean, like, good karma is good. That's how it is,
That's
right?
true.
What you bring out there, it will come back to you also. And Tatoy is like that. And here's the thing as well. I mean, all the presidents of the Philippines,
I
nakakaon.
can share
sa-
one. Yes.
Oh.
Because I used to work with I can share naman. I used to work with Erk. And then one time, I needed to see him sa bahay
Oh,
niya.
yeah.
And then he called and sabi niya, so that manok lang ni Tatoy ang ang dadalhin mo. So nagdala ako together with my co-teacher now from St. Paul. Guess what? Sumakay kami ng LRT. Mango, may oil na galit.
Yeah. So the oil was
I've heard this
dripping.
story.
So, the oil was dripping. Although may aluminum foil siya, pero naka-gift. Guess, ara kami strain. Pag amo ko na, di nang manok. Nabuslot. Kaya naman ka doon sa 7-Eleven, sang pack, nabuslot. Grabe nga, hamay ko to sa LRT. Excuse me, ang manok ko nagaligid-ligid. Pero naka-foil siya. Pag-abot ko sa balay ni President Erk during that time, dito, i-press imo na manok abaw na namitan gyud siya or siya kabalo nagligid.
Oy, mapanood mo
Pero
to.
pwede, just kidding. Wala to na higkuan Okay, basi patawag niya ko bala karon.
Sasabihin niya, ba't kung parang hindi na masyadong, nag-dry na to
Yeah, I mean for me, I think also like it's life-changing in a way. I mean like people really go for tatoys and they would say na other than the batchoy, your trip to Iloilo, if you're not from here, I mean, your trip to Iloilo is never complete if you haven't eaten sa tatoys. And here's one interesting story to my colleague now sa UP Visayas, the award-winning writer as well for the Halin. Where he used to work in Manila sa UP Diliman. He came here once and then nagkaon sila sa tatoys. And then he found the food so delicious.
Wow.
So nagka-problema siya.
Ano?
Kasi babalik siya sa Manila. And then he said, "Nako, if I'm going to back to Manila, I cannot eat this food again." So the year after, he uprooted his family. They transferred here sa Iloilo.
Wow. That's so life-changing, gid
And I
na.
thought that he was joking. He said, "Ay, hindi ako nagbibiro. Totoo yan."
Grabe.
So because para makain niya ulit yung
So,
tacos.
because of that, ang taga Iloilo, elongated na.
My
That's why he's my
Yeah.
colleague now sa UP Visayas, di ba? So, because of that.
We've been talking about tatoys. It's very good. Pero kung sa imo, be, what is your favorite food na Ilonggo?
Well, of course, I mean, like, other than tatoys, then of course, there's the batchoy always. I mean, like, for me, it's a go-to. And then you mentioned kanina, ang pansit molo.
Yes.
Yeah, kasi syempre kami taga-molo. I mean, like, hindi ka pwede magsiling at taga-molo kang wala kang kakaon o wala kang galuto o pansit molo sa balay nyo. Right? So, yeah, I would say these, you know. And then, you mentioned also kaina, breakthrough. Kaya kanamit magpaluto-luto sa breakthrough.
Yes.
The reason I would go to breakthrough, makadto ko na diretso sa daw ilan, nga daw pandera.
No,
Kamangita ko sang anong buhi dire and because I would rather.
Paluto.
Iba. Yung ganun, especially yung cruisan na crabs and then the freshness nila na shrimp. I mean, like,
no?
it's sarap.
So, siguro, amo ini ang kinalain sang Ilonggo, no? Hambal naton, wala gid man kita sang damo nga kung may bisita, bala kita direct. Nga, kundi natin idulong, kundi we have the food.
Yes,
Ang, do amo ginayang aton, no? Kag ang aton ng hospitality, of course.
Yeah.
Oo. Amo gina ang pamatasan sa Ilonggo, nag-upod sa kanamit sang pagkaon.
Yes, that's why, I mean, I've heard people like from elsewhere, and the reason why they would hold conferences here sa Iloilo City is also partly the reason is actually the food.
That's
The food.
true. And hindi siya masyado ka-expensive.
True. As an advertising person, I would usually say before na kasi yung Ilonggo, it's a batchoy economy. Not in a bad sense, ha? Batchoy economy, bakit? Kasi yung batchoy is very affordable. Pero, for the price that you pay, mabubusog ka, ang sarap-sarap pa, and you'll leave the batchoya na very happy. Yung ganun. It's all there in one bowl.
Na-mention ta again ang batchoy direct. May mention man ako nga isa ka restaurant nga ginapilahan man sa batchoy. Alicia's.
Alicia's,
Oh,
yes.
yes.
Katabok suba.
That's why happy ako nga may Alicia's na diri sa sa may Smallville, so lapit na lang.
Oh.
Okay, may Alicia's man sa Villa.
Oh.
Oh, di ba?
Sorry,
Di ba?
Pagkahamo lang ko yan.
Oo.
Wala ko din nabalaan ko. Wala ko
Oo.
na yakabalo.
Yeah.
So, good to know nga damo na subong sang branches ng Alicia.
Yes.
So, Direk, thank you so much. No, tani nga kung lawig pagid ang aton nga segment kag oras damo ka pagid ma-share sa amo, no? Pero sa subong, Mike, nagpasalamat kita kay Direk na
Yes, of
makalantaw
course.
kita yasang
Bugsay.
Bugsay. Kay
Yes.
invitational gani, no? Ano gani hambal ya kung gusto niyo maglantaw pa friend kamo.
Oh. Message.
Pa friend kamo sa iya. Kag of course sa aton nga director kay Sir Jed, sa aton nga cameraman and producer nga si Sir CJ, nga part man siya.
Si CJ actually is our sound designer actually for this film. So that's why, I mean, taong-taong mang sound sang film.
So, direct pasalamat man kami no nga kadamo sang talent na diri sa aton nga sa ating city, ang mga Ilonggo talents like you, nagasigabong ang inyong mga pangalan, no? Hindi lang diri sa aton nga city, kundi sa bilog nga Pilipinas. Probably gani sa bilog nga kalibutan.
Well, actually, may film kami ni CJ, yung Kande. It's now in Italy, and then next week, it's gonna be in New York.
God.
So,
Mike, anong masagot mo nga tupad mo siya subong?
I'm very,
wala,
very nervous.
I'm very much alive.
Oo, kay kagina to.
Kagina daw, ginakaon ko na ang mga ginambal ko.
Wala, chill. Chill lang. Kabalo ng CJ when we work. I mean, like, I'm the most chill person on the set. Yeah.
Pero sa una kay nag-agi man ko bala sa UP, makita ta ka nga naglakat-lakat do kulubaan ka bala do. Oo. Nang nag-eskwela man ko da before ko nag-nursing, nag-marketing ko da. Hala si Direk Kevin do.
Ganon?
Yes! Grabe, gid yan. Now, tupad ta ka. So, I'm very, very...
Wala, chill lang ako. CJ knows that, right?
Si CJ! Well, thank you, CJ. Kaya gin-invite mo si Direk diri sa
But
atin.
thank you
Yes.
for this.
Hopefully, maglawig pa ang What's Up. Ma-invite ka namon liwat sa lain naman yung
Yeah,
topic.
why not?
That's a wrap for this episode of What's Up Iloilo. Remember mga Kasimanwa, stay kind, stay grounded, and savor life like your favorite Ilonggo dishes. Just like good food brings people together, let's spread love, joy, and compassion everywhere we go. And as always, before we end our podcast, we'd like to thank our sponsors. For smart digital solutions, look no further than Primark.
When it comes to anything and everything about marketing, trust only X Factor. Ang baso ko kinuha mo. Wala dyan. Anyway,
For top-notch digital support, we got Prime Media.
and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow us on our social media pages on your screen.
And if you're interested, we also inviting guests and sponsors to join us in celebrating Ilonggo culture and stories while bringing your brand closer to our community.
Once again, this has been your Tita Claudette and Direk. Thank you very much
Madam,
again.
gid ka salamat.
Direk Kevin.
Imo nga, chimpo diri sa amon.
And this is Tito Mike. See you soon on our next episode of
What's Up,
Iloilo?
What's up, mga Kasimanwa?
What's up mga Kasimanwa?
What's up mga Kasimanwa?
I'm Claudette.
I'm Tito Mike.
I'm Manong RG
Mark your calendars because every Saturday,
We'll be dropping our
podcast.
we will be talking local stories
trending issues
Hidden gems
and everything that makes Iloilo
worth talking about.
from dating issues to fun facts,
local talents to timeless traditions.
We've got it all.
straight from the heart of the city of love.
So don't miss it
Tune in.
Chill with us.
and get ready to say,
What's up, Iloilo?